So the usual thing you'll find for a dining table is something along the lines of this. It's French polished, it's wood, and this is the most common kind of dining tables you're going to see anywhere. Obviously a dining table can be made out of absolutely anything. It could be steel, it could be glass, anything. But this is the most common kind of table you'll see. So when we're clothing a table like this, we would always use a protector. You would never put a linen tablecloth just straight onto a table like this. What you really have to get is some sort of protector. And this is a really good one. If you see how thick this protector is, you know there's absolutely no way that there's any damage going to happen to this table. So you'll see it's got two sides. This is a waterproof, shiny side, and this is a soft, fluffy side. So the soft, fluffy side goes down, and the hard, tough, waterproof side goes up. You'll see that it's kind of a wood colour. That's deliberate, so you don't see there's a protector underneath the cloth. Now, there's a few different kinds of protectors you can buy. The one that's much more common and a bit cheaper than this sort is it's got sort of rubber, sort of square pattern, and then a feltish pattern. Now, those are designed that the rubber side goes down and the felt side goes up. So it looks kind of like that on the table. The problem with that is, especially on a hot day, what you'll find is when you take it off, you can often see the pattern of the rubber on the table, which is not very nice. It's actually quite a lot of effort to polish it out. We'll talk about table polishing in another episode. But if you put it the other way up, so the felt side is down on the table, then what happens is you can see the little square pattern up through the tablecloth. So it's kind of like a non-win either way. So if you have the choice, get one like this.